video, guys. Today we are going to check the world's smallest birds, guys. So guys, let's go to the video.
So friends, welcome to the video and you are watching me on Mystery World. So the bird which stands in the 5th position is the gold crust, guys. Gold crust is the smallest bird in Europe, but the bird can also be found in various locations including Asia, Europe, United Kingdom, Wales, China, Russia, Himalayas. It is also called the king of birds in Europe folklore. So friends, now it is the bird which stands in the 4th position, which is the gold-headed Kisticola. It is also the tiller bird of its ability to do human-like swing. They are also known as the bright-headed Kisticola. It is found from West Australia, India and China. They consume insects and seeds. Male and female are both work in nest building, but the female usually incubate the eggs. Their length is about 10 cm and their weight is about 10 grams. So friends, now it is the bird which stands in the 3rd position, which is the pardalote. This is a very pretty bird with colorful spots in the crown and the neck. They generally live in small family group in long horizontal tunnels on the ground level or in the hollows of the trees. They consume insects, larvae, spider, etc. Both male and female work together in nest building, incubating the eggs and feeding their chicks. Pardalote secure the 3rd spot in our list. Their length is about 9 to 11 cm and their weight is about 9 to 11 grams. So friends, now it is the bird which stands in the 2nd position, which is the weeble. It is an Australian bird, mostly found in the woodland of Middle Australia. They spend most of their time searching for insects and larvae in the woods, trees, etc. Female lays two or even their cream-colored eggs at a time. With a weight of just 6 grams, weeble is the 2nd smallest bird in the world. Its height is about 6 to 9 cm. So friends, the bird which stands in the 1st position is the bee hummingbird. As its name suggests, it is likely to be the size of a bee. It is a bit larger than the bee. It is the smallest living bird in the world. Male and female can be distinguished by size. As the female is slightly bigger than the male, they are generally found in the dense forest of Cuba. Male lays 2 eggs at a time, being the size of a pea. Bee hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world with a weight of just 1.6 grams, slightly larger than US penny.
So thank you for watching our video, guys, and if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, guys. Give a maximum thumbs up, guys, for this video, guys. So it's me, Amalaju, and Akalaju signing out.